In this video, we are going to look at how to change the oil for your Rav4. This is a 2017 Rav4. The first thing you have to do is just to open the frunk by using this lever. So if you look at here, the oil is kind of pretty dark. If you look at here, it tells me what is the oil I need to use. It's a SAE OW2. Make sure your car engine is cold when you change the oil, otherwise oil will be very hot. So you need to have a collection pan underneath. Also you need to have a wrench like that, a 14mm wrench. So here is the fun part. You need to go down and look at the nut that open up the drainage for the oil. So left is loose, right is tight. So for me, the left is this side. So I'm going to move this one this side. Just push the nut and loosen it and just take it out. Let this drain maybe for another 5 minutes. So now it is time to remove your oil filter. So this is my new filter. I just bought it for this Rav4. They get this kind of filter. And here's the back, and then you need to find there's the oil plug. You can use this plug to drain the filter. All my oil must have drained it by now. So I'm going to put this back in before I take out the filter. Don't tighten it too much because it's hard to remove it. Right, now it is time to remove the oil filter. So this oil filter have special tool. You need to buy this one. And first thing what I'm going to do is, in the oil filter there's a drain plug. I'm going to remove the drain plug and drain. Just push this one and drain all the oil before I remove the housing. So it has the housing and the drain plug also. So always remember, lefty is loosey. It's kind of tight. It looks like my drain bolt doesn't want to come out, but the entire housing is coming out. So let's take it out, everything. So make sure you put this one in the groove all around here and insert the cartridge this way. Both sides are pretty much same, so it doesn't matter which side you put in. So now it is right side, and don't put too much pressure. The hand tight is more than enough, but I just put a little more so it doesn't drip the oil. Alright, so we are good now. So now you have to pour the oil in.